Okay guys, today we have a huge treat for you, but first I want to thank you once again for all your support, all the likes, all the shares. You guys, that helps our channel out so much, and we pay attention, and we also pay close attention to any comments that you guys leave, letting us know what questions you have, what you're into, and what you'd like to see more of. So keep those coming. Today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make, I don't know if you like brownies, but today we're gonna make protein brownies. And you guys, I've been trying to nail a protein brownie recipe for years now, and today it happened. So this is a recipe that's actually was shared by the LA Galaxy's personal nutritionist. Her name is Emily Mitchell, and these are so good. Look at these. I was kind of dumbstruck at just how great these actually taste. And the texture is amazing. So let's get right at it and get these mixed up. You're gonna love them too. Okay, and what we're gonna use to make these awesome brownies today is kind of an interesting collection of ingredients, but we're going to use some basic cocoa, which you might expect, some olive oil. We're gonna use some black beans, just 1 can of black beans, and I've already rinsed and drained, or drained and rinsed these. 3 whole eggs, a pinch of sea salt, some sugar, some vanilla, and our enhanced protein powder. Now, I want to talk about this for just a quick minute. I have switched to using this in all of my shakes right now, and I'm telling you what, the energy that I notice and the muscle definition that I'm noticing is really different. And this is the only change. This is part of our Herbalife 24 line, which is our product line specifically for athletes and professional athletes. The entire line of 24 branded products has been through NSF certifications, so professional athletes that get controlled substance tested regularly. This is not going to flag anything. This is very, very clean, very, very pure, and just 1 scoop of this has 12 grams of protein. So 1 serving has 24 grams of protein just in the protein part of your shake alone. It's just been an incredible addition to my day. But we're going to use the enhanced protein powder with this today, and the instructions, you guys, are super simple. You simply take all of these ingredients, you put them into a blender or a food processor, and you get them to a puree, and then you put them in a pan and bake them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting all of this stuff into my blender, and then we'll blend it up and bake it together. I've got everything in the blender. I'm going to take this over and put it on, and I'll be right back. Okay, now this is all blended up, and it does look like a brownie batter. I'm so excited to try this, you guys, and it smells like a brownie batter. It's like the black beans disappeared and turned into something else. But anyway, now all you do is you put this into an 8x8 sprayed or oiled pan. However, I'm going to use my cast iron skillet because there's nothing better than the crisp that the outsides get from a brownie from a cast iron skillet. So I already have my skillet preheated and my oven preheated. So I'm going to pull the skillet out, oil it one more time, and then pour the brownie batter in here. And we're going to bake this for approximately 30 minutes. And see what we got. put this in the oven. I'm gonna set the timer for 25 minutes because things tend to cook a little bit faster in the cast iron, for 25 to 30 minutes, and we'll be back. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this tastes just like brownie batter. I don't know how they did this, but this is amazing. Okay, these have been in for a total of 26 minutes now, and I think they're done. So let's pull them out and see what we've got. Looks good. All right, here we go. So the first thing that I noticed is that they're cakey rather than, I like the oily ones with the flaky on top, but these smell, oh my gosh, it smells so good cooking in there. So let's cut one and see what happens. Okay, so it's deflating a little bit as I break the air pockets, so maybe it won't stay quite so cakey, which cakey's fine. Yeah, all right, let's cut it. Probably should have let these cool just a little bit before cutting them to set up, but I didn't. So let's see how this goes. Oh, wow. All right, so check it out. Here's the texture. It's still kind of cakey. Still smells amazing. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try these. Okay, now for the real test. How does it taste? The texture is pretty good. It has, it's condensed a little, so it's not quite as cakey, which I like. And the smell is divine, but how does it taste? It's ridiculous. It tastes like a freaking brownie. Oh my God. I'm dumbstruck. This is so good. Wow. Okay, so let us know if you guys would like to see more recipes like this. Of course, we're still gonna do plenty of shake recipes. We're still gonna do plenty of tea recipes. We're still gonna do plenty of nutrition education and basics like that. But would you like to see more everyday foods that are made in a way that's just a little more conducive to your overall health and your weight loss plan? Give it a fat thumbs up, you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support. We appreciate you so much. These are surprisingly amazing. I can't believe these are made with black beans. You would never, ever know.